how to create and manage WhatsApp group. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create and manage a WhatsApp group perfect for friends, family or work teams. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on the device. For iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. After you open your WhatsApp on phone, tap the new chat icon on the top right corner. Then tap on this new group option. Select the contacts you want to add. You can add up to 1024 members. Type in a group name. You can also add a group icon or photo. When you are done, tap create. To manage the group, open the chat and tap the group name at the top. Here you can change the group name, description and group photo. Scroll down to see who can send message or edit group info, just admins or all members. To add members, tap add participants, and to remove someone, tap on their name and choose remove from group. You can make someone an admin by tapping their name and choosing make group admin. And that's it. This is how you create and manage WhatsApp group. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.